Hey everyone, Alex Ionescu here. Welcome to Investor's Guide to the Galaxy. Cathie Wood sold $41 million worth of Tesla stock on September the 1st and bought Nvidia stock instead. Netflix at tier launch moved up to November to get ahead of Disney Plus. Streamer tells ad buyers. Let's dive right into it. Nvidia stock price. Today down 7.67%. Year to date down 54%, past year down 38%. Tesla stock price today up 0.56%, year to date down 31%, past year up 14%. Netflix stock price today up 2.9%, year to date down 62%, past year down 61%. Cathie Wood sells $41 million in Tesla shares and loads up on this cheap stock amid Thursday's plunge. Cathie Wood led ARK Invest Management bought 297,818 shares of Nvidia Corporation via three of the firm's exchange-traded funds, valued at over $41.5 million based on Thursday's closing price. Interestingly, Wood had sold over 293,000 shares of the chip maker last week via two of the firm's exchange-traded funds valued at over $50 million ahead of the company's earnings release. Nvidia reported in a securities filing on Wednesday that the Biden administration has placed restrictions preventing it from selling its A100 and H100 chips to Russia and China. The chip maker said it expects to lose $400 million or 10.6% of its data center business and 6.8% of its third quarter revenues from these restrictions only. Cathie Wood dumped over 150,000 shares of Tesla through three of the company's funds, valued at over $41.5 million based on Thursday's closing price. As you can see here, combined ARK Invest ETF trades. One time she sold 19,000 shares of Tesla. Here you can see she sold again 115,000 shares of Tesla. And here 16,000 shares of Tesla. That's a total of 150,000 shares of Tesla sold on September the 1st. And she bought Nvidia stock, 32,000 shares, one time, then 226,000 shares here, and here another 39,000 shares of Nvidia. That's a total of 297,000 shares of Nvidia. So basically Cathie Wood sold Tesla to buy Nvidia stock. Is this bad news for Tesla stock? No, because she regularly sells Tesla stock at top prices and buys at bottom prices. It doesn't mean that Tesla stock price will fall, but it is a possibility. Other way to see this is that Cathie Wood sees more upside in the short term for Nvidia than Tesla stock. Netflix ad tier launch moved up to November to get ahead of Disney Plus, streamer tells ad buyers. Netflix is moving up the timeline for the debut of its cheaper ad-supported plan to November in order to get out before the December 8th launch of the Disney Plus tier with advertising. In July, Netflix told investors that it was targeting the launch of the ad-supported plan around the early part of 2023, but now Netflix ad-supported is set to go live November the 1st in multiple countries including the US, Canada, UK, France and Germany, according to industry sources who have been briefed on the streamer's plans. That would be a little over a month before Disney Plus Basic, priced at $7.99 per month, hits the market in the US. Netflix and its exclusive ad partner Microsoft have requested ad buyers submit initial bids next week with a soft $65 CPM, the cost per thousand views, meaning that the company is open to negotiating the ad rates. That's well above industry CPMs of sub $20. Sources speculate Netflix's request for proposals from ad buyers will function as a Dutch auction, with the company looking to see what the market will bear. Netflix is asking for $10 million minimum commitment in annual ad spending from agencies right now, according to one source. The company wants to lock in ad buys by September the 30th to meet the November 1st launch date. Netflix has told ad buyers it expects to have about 500,000 customers on its ad-supported plan by the end of 2022. Netflix hasn't settled on retail pricing, but it is reported that it's looking at about $7-9 per month. Netflix hasn't settled on retail pricing, but is reportedly looking at between $7 to $9 per month. To head up its advertising business, Netflix recently poached Snap's two top ad execs, Chief Business Officer Jeremy Gorman and VP of Sales Peter Naylor. Initially, Netflix ad-supported service will not have any third-party attribution. It also will have limited target ability. Advertisers will be able to buy against Netflix's top 10 most viewed TV series and against some content genres. As previously reported, Netflix ad-supported tier will have an ad load of about 4 minutes per hour for series. For movies, the streamer will run pre-roll ads according to sources. Netflix is setting frequency caps, how often an ad spot may be served to individual viewers, of 1 per hour and 3 per day per viewer, which are relatively low by industry standards. Is Nvidia a good stock to buy now after the stock took a big hit last month? I think Netflix ad-supported subscription will be a huge tailwind for subscriber growth in the future. What do you think? I'd like to know your opinion on this. Please leave a comment below. If you like this video, please smash that like button so that other people like you see this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much, and I appreciate all of you that watch my videos. See you next time.